When drugs stopped working, in the past surgery was often the only option for those suffering from depression. 2 needle electrodes are placed deep inside the head, and a small device under the skin controls mini currents that stimulate the affected area of the brain, like a pacemaker. In the future, a headband from South Korea could offer relief in an easier way. The band sends microcurrents into the brain from the outside, not as precisely as the needles, but it can be used without surgery and at significantly lower costs.
The patients who used the device showed the same efficacy as the conventional antidepressant, which means that without the conventional antidepressant and side effects, you can easily use the device at home for your treatment.
These smart patches are only possible thanks to smaller sensors and lighter electronics. Track Patch makes every knee a smart knee. Then, prior to knee surgery, the patient's activity is measured and the appropriate method and, for example, the appropriate prosthesis can then be selected. Afterwards, Track Patch monitors the healing and the rehabilitation.
So for the next 90 days, the physician is able to monitor the range of motion, the temperature trends, the notable events for falling, and the rehabilitation exercises that the patient's working on.
Wearables, no longer just gimmicks, but equipped with medical benefits. This belt detects irregularities in the gait pattern and allows assessments on orthopedic diseases. And, unlike in the past, without using X-rays.